let's get into it because you know, I finally got edges, okay? Hi fairies and girlas, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be trying out clip-ins today. It's my first time trying out clip-ins, okay, on my real hair. I've always been super scared about it because my hair was always mad thin. Not only was my hair super thin, but it got even worse once I got diagnosed with PCOS. I have finally been able to reverse my symptoms, and I have managed my PCOS, and my hair is finally growing. It's nice and full, it's nice and thick. I don't want to just do regular clip-ins. I kind of want to do it like in a style, because if they're not straight clip-ins, I kind of don't want to just wear it just like, you know, layer and then my real hair. As far as curly, I kind of want to start doing styles with it just to give versatility to how you can start to use clip-ins instead of just the traditional regular middle part, side part, whatever. So yeah, let's get right into it. Also, you guys, stay tuned for the end of the video if you guys want to see additional styles that you can do with your clip-ins. So today's video is going to be sponsored by Curlsqueen. So this is everything that comes in the box. It comes with a brush, extra clips, also comes with this bonnet. It's so funny because me and my girlfriend were literally fighting over this bonnet. And then these are the bundles. I am so hyped because it's a good first impression of clip-ins. Usually the clip-ins do not be matching my hair at all, and these actually are giving me hope. So I feel like it's like clear as day that these bundles don't really match my hair. My hair is definitely jet black and these bundles are like a 1B. I'm gonna do the watercolor method. I'm obviously gonna walk y'all through what I'm doing. So let's get right into dyeing these bundles. All right, y'all, so we're going to be doing the watercolor method. I'm going to be using this Kiss Colors in a jet black. I'm going to put that color into this tube. You guys are always asking me about this bucket. I got it from Amazon. I will make sure I link it down below. So I'm going to put some steaming hot water into that bucket. I'm going to dip those clip-ins into that water, and I do let the clip-ins sit in this mixture for about 15 minutes. After that, I'm just going to rinse it out with cold water, and we are going to go right in with a milk bath. I'm going to be using this Dark and Lovely conditioner that I have left over from other box dyes from them, and I'm going to be doing some steaming hot water, and this just basically conditions the hair and also prevents it from staining from that jet black dye. Okay, so don't really mind the way my hair looks right now, but I just parted off what I'm going to be leaving out as far as my real hair. I'm also thinking I'm going to do a middle part. I don't know, we'll see, but yeah. So here's the hair. It's still a little bit wet, but you know, that's fine. Now, I feel like to make this process go by just so much faster, y'all can just visually see what I'm doing. I'm going to put product in my hair, my rice water spray, my leave-in, and my protein cream. Yeah, y'all can just visually see this part because it's gonna move a lot faster. All right, so as far as prepping my hair, I'm going to be using some rice water spray from As I Am, and I'm going to spray this all around my hair and then go right in with my Curlsmith weightless leave-in conditioner. Love using this for when I'm using other products in my hair. I'm going to be using some gel and some mousse today, so this is a really nice prep for all of those products. So later on in the video, I do tell you guys that I just had to experiment with the clip-ins a lot more off camera to really perfect my craft and perfect my technique. One thing I have noticed is that clip-ins do a lot better on dry hair or previously washed next day hair. I know I'm doing these clip-ins on my hair pretty damp, but lesson learned later on, I could have just let my hair air dry and then went in with the clip-ins, but obviously, you know, I didn't know at the time. I just pretty much guesstimated which ones go where, and the one that wasn't really super long, I just put those in the back and was probably like 2 that size, and I put both of those in the back and the nape of my head. You can definitely customize these clip-ins to fit your exact head shape, just measuring out the clip-ins to the parting and cutting anything that's necessary. So I know I had my parting as if I was doing a middle part, but I actually ended up deciding to do a half up, half down. So once I got about halfway in my head, I stopped and then started to style the front of my head with the same products to get that nice and defined as well. When I have all that product in, I'm just going to comb out a few of my baby hairs, and I did put about 1 to 2 more clip-in extensions in the back just to make it a little bit more full, and just use those same products to blend that in with the clip-ins. I'm going to be molding my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to be using some strong coat gel from Pattern Beauty. So once I have my hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to push back any hairs that's kind of flyaways, and then I'm just going to start clipping in the shorter parts of the clip-ins in the front. I believe they gave me about 4 different clip-ins that was like this smaller size. It's maybe about 2 to 3 inches in length, and I just put all 4 of those and clip those into my ponytail. And I would definitely define using clip-ins as another protective style because I'm not putting any glue on my hair. I don't have any bobby pins, no crazy tension is on my hair, and I can definitely do this style in a matter of like 10 minutes without any damage to my hair. So I'm gonna move on to styling this hair, and at first I felt like it was more of a afro kinky type of curl, but once I went and defined the curls later on, like a different day, it's definitely more of that 3C4A texture, the same as mine, just a lot thicker. So I just used some curl cream from Mayel, and I put that in a bottle with water and used that as my leave-in, and then I'm going to use some leave-in mousse just to define those curls a bit more and brush those out with my Denman brush to define those curls. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to my ponytail. And even with me combing out the clip-ins, I didn't feel like the clip-ins were going to slip out. So I definitely feel like even though my hair is pretty damp, they were still holding on to my hair and it wasn't pulling my hair at all. I don't feel like it would be any damage to be wearing clip-ins on a daily basis. And it's good to know that I can define the curls with the clip-ins on my head. So the last thing I'm going to do is do these baby hairs in the front. I didn't want to have my baby hairs super crazy, but my favorite thing to use as far as defining my baby hairs is definitely some mousse. It's like the best thing to just comb my hair out, but then have my hair still laying down very sleek. And I'm gonna just pretty much do a few little swoops with this baby hair brush I got from my beauty supply store. Okay, so y'all saw what was up. Y'all saw what went on. Okay, so I definitely had to finesse this a little bit because I feel like it's definitely given 3C4A. That is exactly what my hair type is, but it's a lot more on the thicker side. Like, this is how my hair would look if it was super thick. Like, the curl matches my curl to the absolute T. Like, even when I have no product in my hair, I feel like the kinkiness of this texture is exactly how my natural hair is. And then when I wet it, it gets the same type of curl pattern that my hair is. So 10 out of 10 in my book for that. I just think that I have to experiment a little bit more with the clip-ins because this is definitely my first time doing this. So I think I just have to play around with it a lot more. color, and then I feel like it's really going to give what it's supposed to give as far as being down. But as far as my little claw clip, makeshift claw clip, because I don't have a claw clip, but I put a little makeshift clip that I got from the beauty supply store. It works just as good. I feel like the style looks exactly how it would if I had the actual more fashionista claw clip, but I feel like I finessed the F out of this style. Okay, I made it do what it do. I made it work and I made it look good, period. Let me know what y'all think about this style. Also, let me know if you guys try this style out. As always, can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and bye guys.
You running away, you just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby, just come home to me. All night, we gotta ride away. But you running away, you just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby, just come home to me. All night. I am for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me paid, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby, just come home to me. All night, we gotta ride away, but you running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby, just come home to me. All night, I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lie.